Okay, in yesterday class we have completed exercise 2.4 till question number 7. We have two questions left in this exercise, that is question number 8 and 9. Question number 8 and 9 is visible on your screen. So let us start solving this question number 8. Just a minute. Okay, in question number 8 you have given the value of a plus b plus c as 5, and you have given the value of a into b plus b into c plus c into a is equals to 10, and also you have given a cube plus b cube minus 3abc is equals to minus 25. Sorry, a cube b cube plus c cube
Sir, C cube.
is also there. Just a minute. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to minus 25. We have given three things: a plus b plus c, ab plus bc plus ca, and a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. No, we have to prove this one. This statement we have to prove. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This we want to prove. This is to prove. We have to prove this statement. If this and this is given, we have to prove this statement कि a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to minus 25. We know the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. यहाँ पे मैं लिखता हूँ, we know that what a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to what? A plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, right? The value of a plus b plus c is given, and in the bracket it is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, right? If you observe this right hand side of this identity number, last identity of your textbook, this is given, and if you take this minus outside, that means ab plus bc plus ca is also given, but a square plus b square plus c square is not given. That means first of all we have to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. You can write this statement as what? A plus b plus c as it is, we have the value of this one, and we don't have the value of a square plus b square plus c square. But if we take minus outside from these three terms, we have ab plus bc plus ca. We have the value of this one. इसकी वैल्यू भी हमारे पास है, बस केवल हमको हमारे पास ये वैल्यू नहीं है. Now we have given a plus b plus c is equals to 5. Now squaring on both sides, we have a plus b plus c square is equals to what? 5 square, correct? Now what is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square? Yes, anyone? What is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square? It is a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab, sorry, plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, right ना? यही होता है ना?
Yes, sir.
Sure? Yeah. So this can be written as what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equals to 25. Now it can be written as a square plus b square plus c square, and if you take out these two outside, inside there will be what? ab plus bc plus ca is equals to 25. But we have given the value of ab plus bc plus ca, right? We can substitute that value. It will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into 10 is equals to 25. And if you further simplify this one, you will get a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 25 minus 20, right? Therefore the value of a square plus b square plus c square is equals to nothing but it is 5. Now we have all the values. We have the value of a square plus b square plus c square, we have the value of a plus b plus c, and we have the value of ab plus bc plus ca. Therefore substitute these values. This is first one, this is second one, and this is third one. Therefore, from first and second and third, we can write from first, second, and third, we have what? We have a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to a plus b plus c. The value of a plus b plus c is 5, right? Then in the bracket, the value of a square plus b square plus c square is 5 minus ab plus bc plus ca, that is equals to 10, right? Now it will be what? 5 into minus 5. Therefore, it will be 5 5 ja minus 25. Therefore, we got the statement what we have to prove. यही हमको लाना था. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equals to minus 25. Is it clear to everyone, or any confusion is there?
So clear.
Copy it. Then we'll move to the next question. Now moving to the question number 9. Question number 9.
Recording in progress.
Just a minute. Question number 9. Question number 9 is what? A plus B plus C whole cube minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube is equals to 3 in the bracket A plus B plus B plus, in the another bracket B plus C, and in the other another bracket C plus A. That means we have to solve this left hand side, and after solving we will get this right hand side. If you solve this one, so take this left hand side and simplify this one. The left hand side is what? A plus B plus C whole cube, right, minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube. What is the formula of A plus B plus C cube? हमारे पास A plus B plus C cube का कोई formula है? Formula? No. We have a formula of A plus B whole cube, but here it is A plus B plus C whole cube. तो क्या करेंगे हम? We are going to take A plus B as one variable and C another. हमारे पास formula जो है वो ये है, A plus B whole cube. A plus B मत लिखो, X plus Y लिखो, नहीं तो confuse हो जाओगे. Control Z. ठीक है. We have a formula of what? X plus Y whole cube. What is the formula of X plus Y whole cube? It is X cube plus Y cube plus 3xy in the bracket X plus Y. Correct? So if you expand in this way, if you take this as X and this as Y, it can be written as A plus B whole cube, right, plus C cube, and then plus 3xy. So 3 A plus B into C, and in the bracket it is X plus Y. That means what? A plus B plus C. ठीक है, ये कुछ लंबा हो जाएगा. एक मिनट. 3A plus B C C A. Just a minute. कोई और सिंपल मेथड है. माइनस A क्यूब, चलो कोई नहीं, and minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube as it is. And if you further simplify this one, you can apply A plus B whole cube here also. See, this C cube and minus C cube will be cancelled out here, and it can be what? A cube plus B cube minus, sorry, plus 3AB in the bracket A plus B, right, plus 3AB 3A plus B into C into A plus B plus C minus A cube minus B cube. तो A cube B cube तो cancel हो जाएगा. Now we have just this 3AB in the bracket A plus B plus 3ab 3a plus b in the another bracket c and a plus b plus c. यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर है कि कोई कंफ्यूजन है इसमें? इट इज क्लियर टिल हियर ना स्टूडेंट? इज इट क्लियर? यस और?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now what we have to do here, this 3 and this a plus b and this 3 and a plus b is common, we can take it out. 3 a plus b को common ले लेंगे तो inside there will be what? यहाँ से 3 चला गया, a plus b चला गया, there will be only ab, right ना? ab बचा, यहाँ पे क्या बचा? ये c in the bracket a plus b plus c. क्लियर? अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो, you will get the final answer. ठीक है, इसको कैसे सिंप्लीफाई करोगे? सी 3a प्लस बी तो कुछ करना ही नहीं है क्योंकि हमको ये चाहिए था, ये हमारा आ गया, ये पार्ट आ गया है, हमको ये दो पार्ट चाहिए. ठीक है, अब इसको हम यदि एक्सपांड करेंगे तो यू विल हैव दिस वन ए सी प्लस बी सी प्लस सी स्क्वायर, राइट? अब यहाँ पे 4 टर्म बन रहे हैं, देयर आर 4 टर्म्स, दो टर्म को हम ले सकते हैं. यदि ये 2 टर्म को हम लेते हैं तो व्हाट इज कॉमन? इनसाइड देयर विल बी a is common, inside there will be b plus c, right? And here c is common, inside there will be what? b plus c. तो हो गया, काम खत्म हो गया हमारा. तो this can be written as what? 3a plus b. If we take a as common, inside there will be b plus c, and here if we take c as common, inside there will be b plus c. That means the total b plus c is common now. So this 3 into a plus b as it is, and this b plus c is common. So inside there will be what? A plus c or c plus a. So this is what we have to prove. यही लाना था, 3 a plus b, b plus c, और a plus c को हम c plus a लिख ही सकते हैं. So this is equals to right hand side. Is there is any confusion in the solution of this one?
No, sir.
इसको नोट कर लो. Then we will move to the chapter number 3. Okay, we have completed all the questions of NCERT exemplar of chapter number 2, that is polynomials. Now we'll start chapter number 3, that is coordinate geometry. Okay. Coordinate geometry, in chapter number 1 we have already learned how to locate a point on the number line. Number line पे हम कैसे point locate करते हैं, that we have already learned, right now. In this chapter, coordinate geometry, what is the difference between this simple location of a point on the line and if we locate the point in the plane, किसी plane, suppose this screen is a plane surface. I think you are familiar about the plane. Plane means the surface which is flat surface को plane बोलते हैं. If we want to locate any point in any plane, so what we have to do, that we are going to learn in this chapter. Is that clear? ठीक है, नंबर लाइन के ऊपर कोई
Yes, sir.
we can locate a point on the number line uniquely, that we have already learned in chapter number 1, right? But if we want to locate any point in the plane, so that we are going to learn in coordinate geometry, and you are already familiar about how to locate point in the graph paper, right? Whenever we are plotting the points on the graph paper, that is nothing, that is the branch of mathematics that is said to be coordinate geometry. You are familiar about that, but you don't know the meaning of coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry is one of the branch of the mathematics which introduce the concept how to locate the points in the plane. Okay, so first of all we are going to write this statement, the meaning of coordinate geometry. You are supposed to write this in your notebook. What is the meaning of coordinate geometry? It is one of the branch of mathematics. It is nothing but it is It is one of the branch of mathematics one branch, just a minute, one of the branch of mathematics which which gives us a concept of locating locating points on the plane through coordinate axis. Coordinate axis. What is the meaning of this coordinate axis? Coordinate axis is nothing but it is the xy plane. XY plane means there are two axes, x axis and y axis. Whenever we are plotting the graph, we are plotting one vertical line and one horizontal line. The vertical line is said to be the x axis and the horizontal line is said to be the y axis. Hope it is already you already know about this one. x axis और y axis के बारे में तो आप लोगों को पहले से ही पता है कि नहीं पता है?
Yes.
If we are locating any point in the plane with the help of these two coordinate axes, two coordinate axes बोलते हैं इसको, x and y plane, then it is said to be the coordinate geometry. So this coordinate geometry is first introduced by a mathematician whose name is René Descartes. उन्होंने फर्स्ट टाइम इसको, पहले पता नहीं था लोगों को, ऐसे सब सोचते थे कि कैसे लोकेट करेंगे. तो रीने डिस्कार्ट्स ने क्या किया, एक दिन ऐसे ही वो बीमार पड़े हुए थे घर में और सोच रहे थे कि कैसे हम लोकेट करेंगे. तो उन्होंने अपने छत पे देखा तो एक कोई स्पाइडर था, वो दिखा उनको. तो छत कैसा है, आवर द टॉप इज अ प्लेन. उन्होंने बोला ये तो प्लेन है, और उनकी पोजीशन उन्होंने देखी तो बोला यदि मैं इसको लेंथ और ब्रेथ, मतलब कि रेक्टेंग टॉप जो उनका फ्लो टॉप था वो एक रेक्टेंगुलर सीट दिख रहा था. रेक्टेंगुलर सीट में सपोज वो बोले कि मैं एक लेंथ और एक ब्रेथ को एज्यूम करूं, उसके हिसाब से इसका डिस्टेंस दो जगह से मेजर करूं तो वी कैन लोकेट द पॉइंट्स ऑन द दिस प्लेन. तो उनको आइडिया आया और उन्होंने ये मेथड डेवलप किया. तो दिस मेथड इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय, लिख लो यहाँ पे, दिस मेथड is introduced by a French mathematician. फ्रांस के थे वो, फ्रेंच मैथमेटिशियन, ठीक है, whose name is René Descartes, RENE. ठीक है. In the 17th century में इस मेथड को डेवलप किया गया था. तो ऐसा उनका नाम था, रीने डिस्कार्ट. तो यहाँ पे देखो इनके नाम में क्या था, डिस्कार्ट. तो यहाँ जो कार्ट है ना, कार्ट, इससे इट इज ऑल्सो देयरफॉर इन द ऑनर ऑफ दिस रीने डिस्कार्ट इट इज ऑल्सो सेड टू बी कार्टेशियन सिस्टम. देयरफॉर in the honor of Rene it is also known as Cartesian system. बोलोगे कार्टेशियन कहाँ है, देखो ये यहाँ से आ रहा है ना, कार्ट्स. इट इज सेड टू बी कार्टेशियन सिस्टम, CARTESIA. एक मिनट, कार्टेशियन सिस्टम, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, कार्टेशियन सिस्टम. So don't be confused in the Cartesian system. Cartesian system is nothing but it is the method how to locate the point in the plane, correct? and this system is developed by French mathematician René Descartes in the 17th century. उन्होंने एक्सीडेंटली इसको डिस्कवर किया था. सारे जो डिस्कवरीज हुई हैं वो एक्सीडेंटली ही हुई हैं, चाहे वो ग्रेविटेशन का लॉ ले लो. न्यूटन भाई एप्पल ट्री के नीचे बैठे थे और एप्पल ऊपर से नीचे गिरा, तो एप्पल तो सदियों पहले से ऊपर से नीचे ही गिर रहा था, लेकिन किसी ने सोचा नहीं कि वो ऊपर से नीचे क्यों गिर गया. लेकिन वो न्यूटन थे जिन्होंने सोचा, और उन्होंने न्यूटन लॉ, एक फिजिक्स का इतना वाइटल जो रोल है वो डिस्कवर किया, जिसके कारण से बहुत सारी चीज़ें सॉल्व हुई. यहाँ पे ये जो रेने डिस्कार्टे थे उन्होंने भी कार्टेशियन सिस्टम डिस्कवर किया, और हायर क्लासेस में आप जाओगे तो इसके बारे में और डिटेल में पढ़ोगे. So this is the introduction part, and we also study how to locate points in the on the graph paper. We will learn in the next class, because we have only 2 minutes left. Just write it, then we will I will describe the next concept, how to locate points on the graph paper, and we will learn the coordinate system or Cartesian system. If we divide two axes, x-axis and y-axis on the plane, this plane is divided into 4 parts, and that 4 parts are said to be quadrants. There are 4 quadrants in the plane if we divide two lines, that is x-axis and y-axis. उसके बारे में हम कल दूसरे क्लास में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, इसमें किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो बताओ मुझे. Is there any confusion in this one?
No, sir.
So please write it.
No, sir.
We will continue our class, next class, tomorrow.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, in next class we have to bring graph book.
You can bring graph book, because in first exercise we can do in our notebook only, but in second exercise we have to plot some points, so that you can bring your graph book, or you can bring only one paper. There are only two questions or 3 questions in this chapter. It's better to bring graph book, because in chapter 4 also we need graph book. Okay.
Okay, sir.